দেখা যাচ্ছে? দেখা যায়? আছে কি?
জি স্যার, দেখা যাচ্ছে।
জি স্যার।
আচ্ছা। একটু ঝামেলা হচ্ছে মনে হয়। এগারিকাস যেটা আমরা শুরু করেছিলাম শেষ পর্যায়ে ছিল, তারপরে কি অবস্থা? এগুলো এগারিকাসের ফ্রুটিং বডি, আর যেটাকে আমরা পিলিয়াস, আপার পার্ট অর দ্য ফ্রুটিং বডি, গিলস, এনুলাস, স্টাইপ। This is diagrammatical picture. Order. Umbrella shape like lignin materials grow on lignin matters. There's forest floor because the forest floor is rich in lignin. Means forest floor যে আছে সেটা lignin এবং cellulose rich থাকে, so humus. So agaricus grow on forest floors situated with the rainy moist condition is suitable. And the upper ground part, underground part is the more rhizomorph. Mycelium oil developed compartmental uninucleate, originated from the basidospore germination of primary mycelium originated. Then with the fusing of primary mycelium, secondary mycelium produced, and secondary mycelium is binucleate and long-lived, live year after year. Secondary mycelium is branched, and septum, the dolichos septum is present. Commonly is interlace and twist and form the basidiocraft, and many basidiocraft form fairy ring. Germination of basidospores, primary mycelium, fuse, secondary mycelium, dikaryotic, and mushroom cultivation, spawn production. Blocks are produced in the manure and culture and grain spawn. Means mushroom mycelium are grown on the grain, means rice or maize or wheat. On these substratum, mycelium is grown, এগুলোকে জন্মানো হয় এবং সেগুলো তখন এরকম বেডে, যে মাশরুম করার জন্য যে বেডে দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, সেখানে সুইটেবল টেম্পারেচার 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, and mycelia will go on the grains and spread throughout the bed. And sexual reproduction is sex organ completely lacking. There is no sex or antheridia, no, and somatic hypha acts as sex organ, and plasmogamy neighboring to the dikaryotic condition of the mycelium. They in contact and fuse the true nuclei and form the deep and form mycelium solution, form 4 basidospore. Mycelium solution and basidocarp from the dikaryotic mycelium and rhizome they form basidocarp. And the basidocarp is 3 type. Part the cap shape is called Pilias, and the stem shape যেটা ক্যাপের মতো এটা পিলিয়াস, যেটা স্টাইক কাণ্ডের মতো, this is type, and hanging part is annulus, একটা অংশ ঝুলে থাকে, হ্যাঁ, এটাকে annulus বলে। And sometimes the under is mycelium or uh, and the hanging is another part, gills. On gills, the basidium and basidospores are formed on gills. Gills are flesh colored pink. The gill color is based on the basidial color. Each spore is white, that is white. The spores are black, then gill are black. And basidocarp, the hyphae longitudinally parallel, stipe. Stipe is the seedy parenchymatous tissues, and pilia is the upper part. The umbrella shaped part is pilius, or the umbrella shaped means cap shaped. Two regions, region, and extend the pilius and fan outwards. These pass down to the gills. Structure of gill, they extend from the pilius and from the undersurface of the gill. In a transverse of the, we can make out following region. And the hymenium, the carp and basidospores, this part is hymenium. Below the hymenium is subhymenium, and the innermost part is strama. These are the parts. Trama is the innermost part, central part, and two hymeneal surfaces. It is made up of extensions of hyphae of the pilius, subhymenium or hypothesia. Considering the trauma gives a short curve outwards and two surfaces of the gill, where they form a more closely compacted tissue of the small inflated cell. And this is called subhymenium layer. And the both hymenium and thesium. On the surface of the subhymenium covering sides of the gill is the fertile layer called hymenium. It is composed of basidia. The basidia are terminal elongated cells of the same hyphae, which constitute the hymenium. So basidium part is the hymenium or thesium part. So formation of the subhymenium part. This is the trauma. This part is subhymenium. Trauma, the mycelial. This is the hymenium part. Over the by the meiosis cell division of the diploid nucleus, 4 haploid nucleus are formed and form 4 basidospores. The first part by the meiosis cell division, 4 nucleus, and 4 nucleus go through the sterigmata. This is the spine-like part is sterigmata. Of sterigmata, basidospores are formed, and 4 nucleus, 4 basidospores, 2 are formed plus strain, 2 are minus strain, or 2 are plus basidospores, 2 are minus basidospores. And when the basidospores suitable substratum, ভালো জায়গায় এসে grow and form primary mycelium. এগুলো পরে আবার সে প্রাইমারি mycelium করে। আবার যে ট্রান্সভার্স সেকশন করা হয়, this part is trauma, subhymenium, and the hymenium star, hymenium layer, the basidium, basidospores, and on the basidium diploid mycelium, diploid nucleus, and the diploid nucleus go for meiosis division. These cell division form 4 nuclei, and 4 nuclei, 2 and 2 go to these 2 basidospores. These 2 go to these 2 basidospores, and 4 basidospores are from plus basidospores to minus basidospores. These are the basidospores. Total life cycle, basidopara fuse, diploid, go for mycelial cell division, basidospores form, and basidospores fall on a suitable substrate that they grow the primary mycelium, and primary mycelium fusing form secondary mycelium, and secondary mycelium form the basidocarp. The parts of basidocarp, cap, gill, annulus type, and vulva, and basidium, basidospores. Several types of figures are here. অনেকগুলো ছবি দিয়ে একদম ক্লিয়ার তোমাদের কি কাজে লাগে এরকম। Poisonous or non-edible amino acids, content, digestive enzymes, folic acid, vitamins, B complex, vitamin C, minerals, oyster mushrooms devoid of fat, some are oyster mushrooms. Taxonomic position of Agaricus, Mycetia, Amastomycotina, Basidomycetes, Agariculaceae, and Agaricus brunense. Agaricus brunense is different types of Agaricus. This is all about the Agaricus genus. So there are two genus in our Basidomycetes class. One is Caminis or Paxinia and Agaricus. So we studied both the genus. Now we'll study the another class. This is Mycetes class. Class Deuteromycetes. This is called also form class. Form, F-O-R-M, form class. Deuteromycetes class is called form class because this class is not permanent one. এই ক্লাসটা কোনো পার্মানেন্ট না। যেহেতু here the asexual reproduction or only imperfect stage is known. Perfect stage is unknown or not discovered. The terminal stage or perfect stage is absent in the life cycle or not discovered yet. এখনো আবিষ্কৃত হয়নি, দুইটার একটা। That's why they are called imperfect fungi, and they are called form genus, form species. Because the species is not permanent. Why not permanent? Because their cell sexual reproduction not known, not discovered, or absent. When sexual reproduction is discovered, then it is transferred to the Ascomycetes class or Basidiomycetes class. So this class is called form class. Form class. Form the asexual or imperfect state is known. এখানে অজন্য দশা অথবা অজন্য দশা imperfect দশাকে জানা যায়। Sexual stage is unknown. Yeah, perfect stage is unknown. Sexual stage or perfect stage is either non-existent or has not been discovered or not existent. আবিষ্কৃত হয়নি অথবা তার অনুপস্থিত, এই শ্রেণীর ছত্রাকে। So there is no sexual reproduction in the life cycle, totally absent, not discovered অথবা আবিষ্কৃত হয়নি। They live as saprophytes or parasites, fungus, or they are parasites. Some of them are causes of disease in plants and animals, including man. So they can cause disease and animals, including man. মানুষে হয়, প্ল্যান্টে হয়, অ্যানিমালসে হয় ডিজিজ। তারা ডিজিজ করে। Somatic phase of fungi consists of mycelium. Mycelium is septate and profusely branched. Reproduced chiefly by formation of exogenous spores which are called conidia. Mature in the day of conidia or chlamydia spores, or all are the asexual types of reproduction. Ascospores or basidospores, spores like these spores are absent because spores and basidospores are sexual spores. They are through mycelial division, so there is no sexual reproduction in the life cycle. So the spores are either conidia or sometimes oidia or chlamydospore. Conidia is grown on Conidia 4. Oidia and chlamydospores are from the mycelial part or the hyphal part, body or extra organ to form chlamydospores or oidia. But for conidia, conidia 4 are present or produced. Sporangiospores or myospores such as ascospores and basidospores or sexual and either not existent or have not been observed so far. So ascospores, basidospores absent. Sex organ absent. Which happened here? Sex organ not been observed so far. So need more to find out whether the ascospores or basidospores are present or absent. If it is ascospores, then the fungus is transferred. Is the spores, basidospores are observed or discovered, যদি basidospores then this fungus is transferred to the basidospores. Is sometimes someday observe the ascospores in the life cycle, then it is transferred to the Ascomyces class. Whenever perfect stage is imperfect fungus. Imperfect fungus, then it is transferred among the fungi of the class as per the asexual stage. Aspergillus is the or Euritium. Asexual stage here is sexual stage is Euritium. Asexual stage is কে বলা হয় ইউরেশিয়াম অ্যাসেক্সুয়াল। First of all, it was asexual or fungi. Its sexual is hard. এটার সেক্সুয়াল স্টেজটাকে ডিসকভার হয়েছে, আবিষ্কৃত হয়েছে। আবিষ্কৃত হয়ে দেখা গেছে তার মধ্যে অ্যাসকোস্পোর উৎপন্ন হয়। So Aspergillus fungus was transferred to the Ascomyces class. Changed. এটার নামটাও চেঞ্জ, কিন্তু এটা সেক্সুয়াল স্টেজ বের হয়ে এরকম ইউরেশিয়াম তখন নাম দেওয়া হয়েছে। তাহলে কি যে এটা একটা সাময়িক একটা এই ক্লাসটাকে যখন অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস তে সেক্সুয়াল রিপ্রোডাকশন জানা যায় না, সেক্সুয়াল অ্যাবসেন্ট অথবা আবিষ্কৃত হয়নি, যখন সেক্সুয়াল রিপ্রোডাকশন আবিষ্কৃত হয় তখন তাকে অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস ক্লাসে অথবা বেসিডোমাইসিস ক্লাসে ট্রান্সফার করা হয়। আবিষ্কৃত আছে অ্যাসপারজিলাস, এটার যখন সেক্সুয়াল স্টেজ আবিষ্কৃত হয়েছে তখন এটাকে অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস ক্লাসে ট্রান্সফার করা হয়েছে। আমরা অ্যাসপারজিলাসকে অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস ক্লাসে করেছি, হ্যাঁ, এবং এটার নামও একটা দেওয়া হয়েছে, এটা জেনাস নেমটা ইউরেশিয়াম নাম দেওয়া হয়েছে। এবং পেনিসিলিয়াম এটা অ্যাসেক্সুয়াল দশায় ছিল, এটাকে দশাকে পেনিসিলিয়াম বলা হয়েছিল। যখন এটা সেক্সুয়াল অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস তখন এটার নতুন নাম টেলোরোমাইসিস, অ্যাস্কোমাইসিস প্লাস। example other example of Deuteromyces is Alternaria, Fusarium, Rhizopus. These are the other type of genus. তো এখানে দিলে বোঝা গেল যে এটা একটা ফর্ম ক্লাস Deuteromyces, Alternaria, Solani, or Rhizopteria, the asexual stage. Here only asexual stage is known, and the form of asexual stage is or oidia or arthrospore. These are not sexual spores. Sexual spores are absent, discovered. Asexual fructification or deuteromyces. Deuteromyces ক্লাসে কিছু asexual fruiting body উৎপন্ন হয়। ছবিটা দেখাই তোমাদেরকে। So these are the called cinema, and saucer shape, পিচার শেপ, কলসির মতো পিকনিডিয়াম, এরকম কুশন, এবং এখানে স্টেম লাইক, দিস ইজ স্পোরোডোকিয়াম, দিস সিনেমা। দিস আর দ্য অ্যাসেক্সুয়াল ফুটিং বডি, মানে অ্যাসেক্সুয়াল কনিডিয়া যে হয় এরকম স্ট্রাকচারের মধ্যে হয়, তখন তাদেরকে কনিডিয়ার উপরে বা এরকম ফ্রুটিং স্ট্রাকচারও করে। সো এদেরকে বলা হয় অ্যাসেক্সুয়াল ফ্রুট ফ্রাক্টিফিকেশন অর ডিটোমাইসিস। সিনেমা branched. Conidiophores arises closely to each other and are often united length to form the far end of the cinema. For birds, the conidia arise from the diverging free tips of the conid. Cinema thus consists of two parts: the stalk part, intermoto, the upper part, free part, conidia is produced. The former is often longer than the latter. Long feather or cluster of মনে হয় যে lower part like, and this free part, this is the conidia 4, several conidia here. Make up a new form. This is stalk like part, here conidia produced, এখান থেকে conidia উৎপন্ন করে। So this is the conidia এখানে, and this is called cinema. Another is Sporodicium. Sporodicium is also hemispherical, asexual fruiting body. It consists of two parts, upper and lower part. The lower part is stroma-like. It breaks through the host tissue. Host tissue থেকে বের হয়ে আসে। From exposed upper parts arise the conidiophore, which bear conida at the tips. The conidiophore constitute the upper part of the Sporodicium. This is Sporodicium. Sporodic cushion shape. From the cushion shape part, the conidia is here. This is the conidia, multicellular conidia. This is multicellular conidia, this conidia. Pycnidium is flask shaped, flask বা pitcher, মানে কলসির ফ্লাস্কের মতো। The whole structure is consisting of the cavity. The wall of the fertile layer is consists of short conidiophores arise from the abstracted from the tips of the conidiophore. Conidiophore মাথা থেকে কনিডিয়াগুলো উৎপন্ন হয়। Spores. Here the conidia is sometimes pycnospores because they are formed from the pycnidium. So the conidia formed from the pycnidia called pycnospores. So this is nothing but the one type of conidia. Formed from the pycnidium, it is also called pycnospores or pycnospores. Pycnospores or pycnidiospores. The pycnidium may remain কনিডোফোর থেকে যে স্পোরগুলো হয় তাদেরকে কনিডোয়া বলা হয় থাকে, আর পিকনিওস্পোর ও পিকনিডিওস্পোর বলা হয় থাকে। দিস ফ্লাস্ক শেপ, হ্যাঁ, ফ্লাস্ক বা কলসির মতো আকৃতির, হ্যাঁ, দিস প্যারাফাইসিস and conidiophore and conidia is formed in this structure, and this the opening part is called ostiole. Through the ostiole, conidia released from the ostiole. Conidia released from here. This is called ostiole. The structure is called, and spores or conidia formed from this structure is called conidia or pycnospores or pycnidiospores. So all are correct. It may be conidia or it is pycnospores or pycnidiospores. Now the acervulus. This is saucer shaped. Saucer moto disc আকৃতির shaped structure consisting of somatic mass of hyphae and a fertile layer of conidiophores. এবং conidiophore থাকে. The conidiophores are short. They arise from a mat of closely crowded hyphae forming a small disc called stroma. Dark long steep bristles called setae and formed beside the conidiophores. So this saucer shape, this is conidiophores, small conidiophores, and the sickle shaped কাস্তে আকৃতির কনিডিয়া উৎপন্ন হয়। These are the conidia. এই যে অনেকগুলো কনিডিয়া এখানে, আর the smaller part is conidiophore. This is acervulus. হ্যাঁ, saucer মতো হয়ে থাকে। This is the epidermal part of the host tissue. Hosted the epidermal part. This is the host tissue. This is not the fungal tissue. And it open up, খুলে গিয়ে saucer মতো সেই কনিডিয়া গুলো sickle shaped বা কাস্তে আকৃতির কনিডিয়া গুলো রিলিজ হয়। The size, the acervulus, this is the, and the conidiophore arised from this part. Conidiophore, this is the conidia. Different shapes. There are many types of conidia in the Deuteromyces fungus. The conidia shapes are different, varieties of shapes. So these are conidial shapes. So amerospore and unicellular and this called amerospore, helicospore.